please play the AV, please?
Friends, according to American Cancer Society's report, 1 in 8 women or 12% has a risk of developing breast cancer over the course of lifetime. However, early detection can help minimize this risk. Therefore, an awareness program and diagnosis help in detecting at early stage in resulting in saving the life. Hi, I am Shanwas, Vice President of Octaware Technologies Limited, a BSE listed IT company with a strong belief in adding value to the society through our CSR initiative. Our project named Indo-US Cancer Aid 2020 was executed in collaboration with NGO partner Rida Foundation and Central Hospital in Mumbai. The objective of our project is, number 1, to create awareness about breast cancer in the people living in slum. Number 2, and save at least one life by arranging a free diagnostic camp and providing treatment for people detected with cancer. Number 3, create a rich database specific to the Indian surroundings, which would be used for data analytics. Number 4, create opportunities for higher education and employment for our interns. We achieved our objective by creating awareness and breast cancer in the slums, covering 25 locations, conducting surveys of 2,000 families and 23 women with high risk identified, organizing breast cancer screening camp for 100 patients, creating executive report to be submitted to Bombay Stock Exchange CSR Samman by Rida Foundation. In general, this project demonstrated successfully how project management can be used to execute CSR project efficiently, particularly project charter, to define clear goal and objective of project, stakeholders matrix, RASI matrix, defining clear roles and responsibilities of each stakeholder avoids the ambiguity in deliverables. Work breakdown structure, WBS, can be used as a best practice to manage various tasks distributed across multiple organizations.
Congratulations to the winner of the contribution to the community category of awards. And on your screen is the team that has made this possible. Once again, congratulations. This is the Octaware Technologies Limited, and the project was Indo-US Cancer Aid 2020. This was a very good example of how project management can be applied to the CSR activities successfully. And in fact, you'll be surprised to know that Octaware Technologies has been working on this cancer aid for a long time, but just last year it was that they decided to take a different approach. And I'm glad that it has yielded the result and they are here to receive the award. Congratulations.